Welcome to Toy Virtual Structures, where we discover the technologies that will shape our world. Welcome to this video on sustainable living. Today, we're exploring passive house design, a revolutionary way to live sustainably and comfortably. Passive house design is all about creating a comfortable and energy-efficient home that reduces your carbon footprint and saves you money in the long run. What is passive house design? Passive house design is a comprehensive building design approach that prioritizes energy efficiency. The goal is to create a home that requires minimal energy to maintain a comfortable temperature all year round. This is achieved through a combination of smart design, high-quality insulation, and efficient heating and cooling systems. Why passive house design? Passive house design offers numerous benefits. Firstly, it reduces your energy bills, as your home requires less energy to maintain a comfortable temperature. This not only saves you money, but it also reduces your carbon footprint. Secondly, passive house design creates a healthier living environment, as it minimizes the use of toxic chemicals and improves indoor air quality. Finally, passive house design offers long-term durability and low maintenance costs, as it uses high-quality materials and construction techniques. Design elements of passive house design. The key design elements of passive house design include 1. Airtight building envelope. 2. High-quality insulation. 3. Efficient windows and doors. 4. Energy-efficient heating and cooling systems. 5. Ventilation systems to improve indoor air quality. The building process. The building process for a passive house design involves a number of steps, including 1. Site analysis to determine the best orientation for the home. 2. Design development to create an efficient and comfortable layout. 3. Energy modeling to ensure that the design meets passive house standards. 4. Construction using high-quality materials and techniques. 5. Final inspection to ensure that the home meets passive house standards. Passive house design is a game-changer in sustainable living. It offers numerous benefits, including reduced energy bills, improved indoor air quality, and long-term durability. If you're interested in building a sustainable home, consider passive house design. With its comprehensive approach and long-term benefits, it's a smart investment for the future. That's it for this video on passive house design. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on disruptive technologies. Thank you for watching.